Hold this up in the camera real quick. This is the biggest fucking steelhead I've ever caught. Look at this fish. This thing is an absolute beauty. Get the sun on this thing. Look at that fucking steel. This is one of the greatest freaking fish I've ever caught, and I didn't get to share it with anybody else. Wow, look at that. Jesus. It's a pig. That is an absolutely beautiful fish. Easy, buddy. Trying to let you go in. Wow! Look at that. Look at that fish. Wow! Beauty. Just an absolutely beautiful fish. Look at that, guys. Look at that fish. I just love this fish. Wow. I'm gonna let him go now. What a beautiful fish. Yes! Oh my god, that was awesome! Wow! Holy shit! What a fish! Wow! That was awesome.